Even if you stand and try everything, he will not look at you. You look through you, but not at you. It is like that. He told me, you stay with me as long as I am staying here. I will do what I am supposed to do when the time comes. '89-90, Kodaikanal, when I went, Swami started Pendi Chesko, get married. And as a student, all of you know, guys, Pendli means it is out of syllabus for students. Pendli means Swami will get a little upset. But in front of parents, Pendi Chesko, manchidi, parents will feel happy, you will feel happy, Chesko, Chesko. In front of parents, he will play band bajao. Because to make parents happy. After parents go, stupid dog, you want to get married? Chi, shameless. Like that he will shout. So, idi nijama, adi nijama. Is this true or is that true? So this Maya Nataka Sutradhari confuses you. Whether that day in front of parents what he speaks is true, and now he is shouting this is true. Which is true? The true is you are going through. That is the only truth. So now the best part is my chance. Started in '99. I knew the game. I've seen many games of this type. Now I am part of that game. So I decided to play my game calm and quiet. Simply nod your head. Let's see what happens. Why unnecessarily getting agitated, having hope, and then finally rubbing everybody on the wrong shoulder, including Swami, and you get hurt in the process. Smile and keep quiet. One day Swami called my parents. He fixed the wedding. He fixed the date, April 15th. 9:10:30, Muhurtam, very good Muhurtam. That is the Muhurtam where Rama got married. Oh, all that he told. My father is very happy as if he's going to get married. Okay, God, like that. He is full, when Swami speaks like that. So they're all ready. What about me? I'm sidetracked. Because if he tells me, I will say no. So best thing is, roundabout route. Convincing my parents, fixed everything. And he went to my would-be. She also didn't want to get married. And Swami said, see, you are coming all the way doing service. I want you to stay with me and not coming and going. Will you marry? I will give my student. She fell for the game. Wow, that's nice. And she said, okay. And that is how that side is fixed and this side is fixed. And it is a quick fix. Finished. Okay? Now, anyway, to cut down the story, we finished all this. June 1st, March 31st, our academic year. Come what may. 31st, we close the gate of the campus. June 1st, we open the case. You know it. So, all these years, I was in hostel. I have a room. I'm the wing teacher, taking care of children, and also doing a lot of service. And bells beckons me for all sessions, for food. Ting, 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 breakfast ready. Ting, 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 lunch ready. Ting, ting, ting. The hostel life is between first bell and second bell. First bell, get ready. Second bell, start eating. First bell, stand in line. Second bell, start the line. So the hostel life was like that. Now, damn it, I am not alone. Somebody is next to me, and she's not allowed inside the hostel. Now, where will I go? What will I do? It's all question mark. And I know, in Prashanti Nilayam, if you want accommodation, as it is, trouble. For devotees only, trouble. And for me, after marriage, young couples cannot stay inside ashram. Married couple cannot stay inside ashram. By chance, if you are staying, they will give you a room. And the room will be without kitchen. And finally, the room, some donor or owner room. And if the donor or owner comes, you have to run away from the room. Go to the shed. Oh my God. I saw all the sequence, check, like TV serial. No. The best thing is to hit the nail straight. What is that? If Babaji says, everything is straightforward. Nothing can touch you. Nothing will happen to you. But Babaji has to say no. So I stayed back. All boys, June 1st, went to college, and I was standing in Tribrindavan. Swami from his bedroom, he saw me standing. He called warden, వాడు ఎందుకు పోలేదు, కాలేజ్ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయింది కదా, ఎందుకు అక్కడే ఉన్నాడు, college is opened and this guy is still there. Why is he not gone for classes? He came running. Hey, Swami shouting at me, you go, come on, vacate from this place. I said, how will I vacate, sir? I have to vacate hostel. Where will I vacate now? I have to vacate hostel and I need to get some ticket to stay. So do something. What will I do? I tell Swami that I want accommodation. You go and tell Swami. Whatever Swami says, I will do. He ran again. Then after 10 minutes, he come running. Swami told, all devotees are going to Prashanti Nilayam. Where do they go for accommodation? Accommodation office. Tell him to go to accommodation office and ask for accommodation. They will give. It is not that easy. For 1 day, 2 day, devotees will give. No, it is not 1 day, 2 days, sir. It is a lifetime, sir. Please think about my plight. So he didn't know what to do. He also understood. He quietly walked off. Next day, morning darshan. After my wedding, 1 year, I am only there. He never talked to me, out of syllabus, out of form. That is our terminology, out of form. That means what? I am omnipresent for Baba. He will, even if you stand and try everything, he will not look at you. He will look through you, but not at you. It is like that. So 1 year I was going through that time, and that time only all my problems need to be sorted out. Oh my God. So finally, next day morning, I decided, come what may, he is going to shout. Better he shouts, then my problem will be solved. Next day morning, he finished darshan, and suddenly commotion. People are running up and down. I ran and asked, what man, what's happening? Swami is going to Prashanti Nilayam. What? Yeah, Swami is going to Prashanti Nilayam. Yes, Swami is going to Prashanti Nilayam. Immediately I told my wife, Swami is going to Prashanti Nilayam. Come on, we will also go. So we also took car and followed Swami, went to Prashanti Nilayam, and met the secretary. Secretary knows me very well. So he gave me accommodation. He said, congratulations, happy married life. Yes, sir, happy married life. First you give me one room for my wife and me, and then we will see. Then only our life, we don't know what will happen. Hey, I can't do anything. You ask Swami, sir, staff quarters, I already did the spade work. In staff quarters near Samadhi Road, 3 portions are empty. You tell Swami and get me 1 portion, sir. I will go and stay there. Inside ashram, I can't lift my luggage every function, sir. Please do something. He said, I can't ask, Baba. I can't ask. If you want, you write a letter. And then if Swami picks up the talk, then I will sandwich the whole thing. He said, okay, fine. So morning bhajan is over. I wrote a letter. Kail Das, he was doing the duty there. I gave a letter. The letter was passed inside. 3 o'clock, secretary calls me to his office. I rush to his office. And then he says, Sai, Swami has blessed you, man. Swami has given accommodation. I said, thank you very much, sir. Staff quarters? No. Where? Mandir. Oh my God. Don't worry, don't worry. I will give you a room. I myself told Swami, after his lunch, he told the whole thing. After his lunch, he read your letter and he told, Sai Suresh పెళ్లి చేసుకుని వచ్చాడు వాడికి అకామిడేషన్ కావాలంట ఒక అకామిడేషన్ ఇయ్యి. Then I told Swami, staff quarters 3 portions are empty, can I send? Swami said, no, 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 no. They are young people. They should not be outside. They should be inside ashram only. You put them inside only. And he will ask you ground floor room. Don't give ground floor room. Give him top floor room. Young people, they should go up and down. After finishing everything, he said, give with the kitchen. Everything. Give with the kitchen. Give every instructions was given. In the end, highlight. Icing on the cake. You tell him as if you are giving, not me. I am not giving, you are giving. Don't use my name. He said, yes, Swami. And this gentleman told everything to me because his son is my student. Not that I will fail him, but this man had a very soft corner for me, and they all know that I run around Swami and do all that work. They also, he only said, the amount of love I saw when Swami was talking about you, I want you to know how much he loves you. But yet he doesn't want to show you. For that only I am telling, man, please don't write letter stating whatever I told you that is supposed to be between me and Baba. Otherwise, I have to vacate my room and give my room to you. I said, okay, fine. And that is how this sweet Lord gave me Two choice, West 1, C1 or West 9, D16. First room here, first block, last room there, last block. And he himself preferred, you better be in West 9, that is new block and better. And that is how I lived there for 20 years. Now the most important thing, very important thing. After some days, Swami casually, when you're talking, he told me, నేను ఉన్నంత వరకు నువ్వు నాతో ఉండు, తర్వాత నీకేం చేయాలో నేను చేస్తాను. You stay with me as long as I am staying here. I will do what I am supposed to do when the time comes. I didn't understand head or tail of it. Only one thing I understood is he wants me inside. That is very clear. 2010, I bought a new car. We had a Maruti. My son was complaining every time, Maruti, Maruti, Maruti. I said, that is useful for Swami Seva, man. No, Appa, I want AC car. I said, okay, fine, children growing, we need to compromise something. Then Tata Indigo ECS new model came. Then finally, they decided to buy that car. Puttaparthi, Sahasra Sirisa Purusha Sahasra Sahasrapad. There, every eye will tell Swami. Every hand will write letter to Swami about others. So therefore, when I bought my car, and if I drive, before I tell Swami, somebody will tell Swami, and Swami will think, stupid fellow, he always sits right under my nose, and he never told me that he bought a car, and someone else comes and tells me, Sai bought a new car. Then what will happen to me? Me and my car have to go to mechanic shop. So therefore, I took the car. 4 days I did not use it. Waited for a good day, wrote a letter. Satyajit brother came. I told him, Satya, I sold my Maruti, bought a Tata car. This is what is there in this. Tell Swami I want his blessings. If Swami gives Vibhuti packet, give it to me. I will take it. That's all. Just inform. He said, okay, sir, I will come. He went inside. After 5 minutes, he comes. Pradhan, come here. Hey, Padmanabhan, Swami's driver, come here. And then, sir, come, sir, he said. I said, what's the commotion? Sir, Swami said, today evening, you must bring your car here. Swami wants to bless your car. Swami said, you must bring your wife and also your son from the school. All Swami will bless at a time here. Then he told Pradhan, in this place, when Swami, entrance is there, that Yajur Mandir, park the car here. And he told Padmanabhan everything. I said, I just prayed for blessing. And this is pouring, drenching, drowning me with his love. I ran and told my wife, Swami's called evening, all of us, including our son and car blessing. Wow, it's a great day. So we went there. I forgot to bring my picture there. And there, Swami comes, Swami blesses. And that is the time Swami asked all the details, like a salesman. How many mileage, how much is the cost, exchange offer, everything. And after everything is over in the process, suddenly from my mind, I told, Swami, very soon I am going to retire. I have not bought any property. If Swami blesses me, can I buy an apartment outside? Swami said, where? I explained everything. And then Swami looked up and said, yes, yes, yes. The building was under construction. And he said, yes, yes, big glass windows. No windows that time. Big glass windows. As soon as you enter, there is a dining hall, double bedroom, manchidi, chala santosham, tisko. How much? I said, sir, Swami, 2,100 per square feet. Anta dabba. I said, Swami, Puttaparthi has changed outside. Oh my God. For Swami also, it was surprise. Anta dabba, anta costliya, like that. Finally, Swami blessed. We gave the advance. Swami used to ask me, what's happening? And one day, Swami said, you must move in. Do all the work, including carpentry work, and then move into that house. Then my son was studying 12th standard and he said, Appa, April month will be vacation time. I can also run around and do puja, will be very nice. Can we do it in the month of April? I said, okay, fine, we can do it. Again, Swami asked, what is happening? Swami, work is going on. And then Swami said, February 20th, move in. I said, Swami, April. Swami cheppinattuga cheyi. Do as Swami says. Na agnya, my command. I had nothing. So I told my son, this is what Swami said, man. We have no choice. I ran to a local pujari and he said, that is the last muhurtam available, February 20th. And Swami fixed that date. And he said, sir, I'm already busy because that day wedding is there. I asked him, what time is the wedding, man? 8 o'clock. You come at 3 o'clock, man, no problem. Early morning, Brahma Muhurtam. You just break coconut and do whatever you want. You finish the housewarming ceremony and then go for a wedding. Because Swami wanted. He said, yes, sir, because Swami said we have to do it. And then morning 4:30, all the prayer, everything is over. Dear brothers and sisters, February 20th, I moved. March 20th, Swami went to hospital. April 20th, Swami left this physical body. 18 years back, he said, so far as I am staying, stay with me. When time comes, I will tell you, I will settle you. I didn't understand 18 years back. You see the clarity in his mind. You see the vision in his mind. He is divine, my dear brothers and sisters. Please, it is a great good fortune that we are his devotees. We don't know what good deeds we have done or our elders have done. But he has accepted us. And we are one family, Sai family. Live together, love each other, help each other. He has done so much for all of us. He has touched every life in this place in a different way, directly or indirectly. But remember, he is with you. The distance between God and you is the same distance between you and God. If you feel that he is far, he reflects farness. If you feel that he is close and he is in you, he is you and you are him. That is how Babaji has guided me in this life. I will never forget his guidance, and I followed that, and that is how I moved out, and he gave me and he settled me with a double bedroom apartment.